BJ, where you going? Come here. Oh. That was at the fish thing. That was before you and Eric came. That was what, the year before last.
Yeah, 2 years ago.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you said... No. Is your person there?
No, not yet.
Why not yet?
We just got there.
Okay.
You want me to put that? Daddy!
What?
Did this make sense?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
He was the fastest man alive and we're checking the
Yes. You doing it on Jesse Owens?
Huh?
Who that, Jesse Owens?
Yeah.
Yeah, it makes sense. Jesse Owens.
Hey everybody, these are my neighbors.
She always comes over to haunt us every day.
No, I don't!
Okay.
Hey, DJ.
She's a boyfriend.
Oh, okay. That's her nickname.
That's a last
You know, she gotta do all the balance stuff before she can even do the stuff.
Oh yeah, you gotta
Yeah, you gotta do all the balance stuff before you let you get to the sauce.
I'm
In other words, you gotta get some